Hello friends, welcome back to another cooking episode on Shobha's Food Mazaa. So today I'm going to share a Sindhi snack with you, Swanjhre Pakora, which means drumstick or Moringa flowers fritters. So now of course it's not the season of these flowers, we don't get them, but I had frozen them some time back when they were available. I have shared a video already how to clean them, how to store them so that you can enjoy for a few more months after the season is gone. So today let us make pakoras or fritters with these. They are really delicious and nice. They make a lovely snack, yummy snack, just like cutlets. You can serve it in your parties also. So let's proceed to make Swanjhre Pakora. Swanjhre Pakora. Drumstick or Moringa flower fritters. So crispy, crunchy and delectable. They make a great tea time or an evening snack. Do give them a try if you find some drumstick flowers. You are surely going to love this snack from the Sindhi Cuisine. Let's see how to make them. Here are the ingredients. I've taken about 1.5 cup of besan or gram flour, 1 cup of drumstick flowers. These are frozen and I've defrosted them. Put them in warm water and drained out the water after some time. Do check out the link how to do this. And we have some onion, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, chilli powder, half teaspoon, 2 to 3 pinches of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of crushed anardana, green chillies chopped finely, and salt to taste. Anardana are pomegranate seeds, and we also have coriander. This is frozen coriander. We'll add little as needed. Check out the link how to freeze the coriander. And oil to fry. Ingredients list can also be seen in the description box. Now let's start mixing them. Separate the drumstick flowers with your fingers. Add onion as required, green chilies. All the ingredients you can add as you like them, less or more. Baking powder, anardana, pomegranate seeds, and salt. First give them a mix with a spoon. Mix all the ingredients. Now add gram flour little by little. Add coriander leaves as required. If you have some mint leaves, you can add few mint leaves also. I did not have them. They taste great. Even you can add some greens if you like. Now add water very little at a time because besan doesn't take much water. We need a nice and thick batter. So depending on the consistency, you add the besan and check it out. Check the salt. It's done. Now this is the consistency we require. Now heat the oil in a pan. Once it is hot, reduce the flame and drop chunks of batter using 2 spoons. Lemon sized or whatever size you like, small or big. Now this we have to fry on medium flame because we don't want them to become brown outside, and they have to be cooked inside as well because it's a big chunk. So maintain the heat between medium and low. Keep adjusting until they are done. Flip them a couple of times. This way we will do half done and store them. You have to refry them before serving. We'll flatten them and then refry them. Such snacks are really very nice for when you entertain because half fried part can be done before, even one day before, and kept in the fridge. At this stage, when you think they are done inside, remove them. The same way we are going to fry with all the remaining batter. If you do not want these double fried fritters, you can also fry tiny ones like we do normally and enjoy them. Fry them once with a crispy texture. But these are good for a party actually. So all done and removed. Now this way we will press them, flatten them with your hand, pressing with your hand firmly. They become like cutlets. You can cool them and even freeze them. You can put them in a flat container and layer some plastic sheets in between. Very handy snack. Now this is done. Whenever you are ready to serve, you can just fry them the second time. If you want to remove all the excess oil, you can do this. Take 2 tissues and drain out all the oil. This way the pakoras will not be very oily. So, heat the oil and refry them just before you serve, so that you can enjoy them nice and crispy hot pakoras. Keep flipping them until they are done. Look at this lovely pakoras or fritters is one such snack that no one can resist, especially on a rainy day. Here all are done. Now we will fry the remaining in the same way. The second batch is also done. Look at the lovely crispy pakoras. What a nice texture. They are so crispy and inside they are soft and nice. Serve them with chutney or chili sauce, whatever you like. They pair very well with mint and coriander chutney. Let's check out the taste. Look at this, so nice and tasty. So yummy. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.